Dear students, in this lecture I will discuss degeneracy and non-degeneracy. Degeneracy and non-degeneracy and corresponding states. In my last lecture I discussed on three-dimensional box potential problem using Schrodinger wave equation. We have got the expression of wave function and energy. So this is the wave function for cubical system provided A equals to B equals to C. This is the form of the wave function for three-dimensional box potential problem psi xyz suffix nx ny nz. These are three quantum numbers. So the expression of psi takes the form 2 root 2 by a root a sine of nx pi x by a sine of ny pi y by a sine of nz pi z by a provided A equals to B equals to C. That is for cubical system. And the energy eigenvalue E suffix nx ny nz equals to h square by 8m square within bracket nx square plus ny square plus nz square. So this energy eigenvalue can be written as proportional to nx square plus ny square plus nz square, since this h square by 8m square may be treated as constant. So these are the wave function and energy eigenvalue for three-dimensional box potential problem. Now we can have one wave function corresponding to one energy value. One wave function corresponding to one energy value. Similarly, we can have different wave functions corresponding to same energy value for various values of nx, ny, nz. So this can be possible. So we consider second case first, that is for various values of nx, ny, nz, we consider three set of nx, ny, nz. Let it be 1, 1, 2. Next we consider 1, 2, 1. Next we consider 2, 1, 1. So nx, ny, nz can be varied as 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2, 1, 1. Now let us see what happened for different set of nx, ny, nz. First we consider 1, 1, 2. Quantum number 1, 1, 2. So nx square plus ny square plus nz square is 6. 1 plus 1 plus 4 means 6. Energy eigenvalue, putting the values of nx, ny, nz over here. So 1 plus 1 plus 4, that is 6. So 6h square by 8m square. So it takes the value 3h square by 4m square. This is the value of E112 and corresponding wave function psi 112, that is 2 root 2 by a root a sine of pi x by a nx pi x by a, nx means 1, ny pi y by a, ny means 1, so pi y by a, nz pi z by a, nz means 2, so sine of pi x by a, sine of pi y by a, sine of 2 pi z by a. Okay, this is the wave function, that is the state of the system, wave function. Similarly, we consider 1 to 1, 1 to 1, nx, ny, nz 1 to 1. So the total, so nx square plus ny square plus nz square 6. So E1 to 1 energy eigenvalue comes to be 3h square by 4m square, same value, but wave function should be different, 1 to 1. So here nx pi x by a 1, ny pi y by a, that is 2 pi y by a into sine pi z by a. Clear? So these two wave functions are different, but corresponding energy eigenvalues are same, 3h square by 4m square. Similarly, we consider 2, 1, 1 state, that is nx equals to 2, ny equals to 1, nz equals to 1, 2, 1, 1. So E211 comes to be 3h square by 4m square, same energy eigenvalue, but wave functions are different. 2, 1, 1 means this wave function. This means we have different set of wave functions having same energy value. This phenomenon is said to be degeneracy. So here we have threefold degeneracy. Since we have three different wave functions, that's why this is called threefold degeneracy, and these are called threefold degenerate wave function or degenerate states: psi 112, psi 121, psi 211. These are degenerate states, and corresponding energy eigenvalue are same, 3h square by 8n 4n square. So this phenomenon where wave functions are different but energy eigenvalues are same are said to be degeneracy, and the corresponding wave functions are said to be degenerate wave function or degenerate states. So for the present problem, here we have threefold degeneracy, since we have three different wave functions corresponding to same energy value. Okay. So next we consider non-degeneracy. Suppose we consider 1, 1, 1, nx equals to 1, ny equals to 1, nz equals to 1. So the energy eigenvalue is always 3h square by 8m square, and the corresponding wave function, we have unique wave function, that is psi nx ny nz, that is 2 root 2 by a root a sine of pi x by a, sine of pi y by b a into sine of pi z by a for cubic system. So one wave function, one energy eigenvalue, and this situation is said to be non-degeneracy, and the corresponding wave function is called non-degenerate wave function. Okay, so one wave function, one energy value, this is said to be non-degeneracy, and this is the non-degenerate wave function. Similarly, we have already discussed earlier this one, three set of energy values, the energy level, three energy level, E112, E121, E211, but energy eigenvalues are same, but wave functions are different. Threefold degeneracy. This is called threefold degeneracy. Similarly, we may have this example, we may consider this example, nx, ny, nz can be taken as 1, 2 on the permutation combination of 1, 2, 3, that is 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 3, 1, 2, and 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. And these are the corresponding energy levels, and it has always 7h square by 8ms square energy value, energy eigenvalue, and corresponding wave functions are different. So we have 6 different wave functions, okay, depending on different values of 6 different set of nx, ny, nz. So that's why this is called 6-fold degeneracy. Wave functions are different. There are 6 different wave functions, but energy eigenvalues are same, 7h square by 8m square. Energy levels are different, but energy eigenvalues is always same, but we have 6 different wave functions. That's why this is called 6-fold degeneracy. So there are two types of wave function, degenerate wave function and non-degenerate wave function. Which one is degenerate wave function? Degenerate wave function means different wave functions having same energy eigenvalue. And which one is non-degenerate wave function? Wave function, one wave function corresponding to one energy eigenvalue. This is called degenerate wave function. Non-degenerate wave function. And in case of degeneracy, there are various fold of degeneracy depending upon the nature of the nx, ny, nz values. So for example, this is the example of threefold degeneracy, but this is the example of 6-fold degeneracy.